Let me just start by asking why. Why do you want to get into online writing? Do you have a passion for writing? Is it because of the money, or is it because you want to fit in with your peers? Well, the latter of reasons has never been the most ideal for doing anything. Let's get into the reasons for venturing into writing. In this video, I will share with you at least 5 ideal reasons why you should or should not get into any type of online writing. Welcome to yet another video on your best writing guide. I'm your host, Gabriel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave me a like so that this message can reach many people. Reasons for getting into writing. Well, first of all, there exists a vast array of subcategories in writing. Ideally, almost everything we do in life involves a bit of play with a pen and paper. Take any random career such as law, engineering, computer programming and literature, etc., or the common careers in arts such as music and movies. With these, you start to realize the extensive relevance of writing as a skill. These are just but a few examples where writing is extremely necessary. It is important to note that not all persons in these careers have the ability to produce near acceptable written material. Bearing this in mind, therefore, we can easily point out the demand for writing with extreme precision. Since we have already established the existence of demand in this field, it's only fair that we scrutinize supply as a balance factor. This is where skilled writers such as you and I come in. The internet gives us the reach to communicate with all types of people from around the world. This means an enormous marketplace where you can pitch your ideas as well as show your skills to willing consumers. You could offer your writing expertise to people in these industries, music, web content, and books, etc. Clearly, filling the supply gap in this market is one of the most important reasons for joining online writers around the globe. Therefore, you need to start online writing if writing is a passion you have. If you want to create a business selling your writing skill. If your view towards writing is the benefit of a continuous learning process. If you want freedom from the classic work schedule of 9 a.m. 5 p.m. and the advantage of working from anywhere. However, you shouldn't get into online writing if all you want is to fit in with your peers. This is where you see your friends doing something and then suddenly, you also want to try. Or getting into writing just make some quick cash. These reasons don't work because writing is a process that needs some level of mastery. In order to succeed or at least make some progress in this field, you need to invest some time in yourself learning the skill. You made it to the end of the video. Many thanks for sticking around, and since you made it here, you must be interested in online writing. So join me in the next class as we explore the various genres where you can earn a living from the comfort of your home. You heard me right. Commit to doing just a little bit of work and make money online. However little money you make, when put together it adds up and accrues to something. Please like and subscribe to this video, and if you have a question or remark, kindly leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you ASAP. See you in the next one. Peace.